Look, she's washing her hands with the tiniest soap. And now I'm gonna look in now, cause you see the hole? So when I redo and add these steps right here.
Baby's room is gonna be a toddler's room, that's probably gonna be over here. This kitchen is probably gonna be over here.
The kitchen floor that I progress. Yeah. Okay, let's go put this little cutie patootie together.
And I'm going to show you which one we got, and we're going to decide what room it should go in, because these are, I love you, I love you, totally love you, oh my gosh. These are cuter than I even knew.
I don't have any white, so suddenly I think this looks like a stove. This has no steps so far. I'm getting lost, getting soft. What should this room be, though? What should a room be with steps and a front door? What do we call that? Ugh, a fail blog of a freaking design, that's what we call it. But that's a key. Nobody can guess because it's garbage right now. We know it's garbage, dude. Jeez, oh freaking Pete. I hope you can see this. I don't have time to stop. Yeah, look how easy it is to take these off. Because I want it like a chill vibe. The bed's just on the floor. Yes, please. I think I'm gonna put this under here. You guys, it's coming along so swell. Okay, we'll get a quick look at this because the walls will stay the same, but I have no idea what I'm doing in here other than moving it over and out, partner. Let's put you down here in the chill plant room. We'll see. We'll figure it out. I wanted a rug right about the same time I saw this wall, and I remembered something I saw. Oh my gosh, could it be? I'm getting lost. No, it's because it's glued on this side, okay? Just chill. Or it could make a big impact in the bathroom. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Oh, just look.
Yeah, now it's in 4K.
Really? So I have to do that every time I take a video?
I mean, yeah.
Oh wow, I actually do see the difference. Look
Who's
at
that
you,
peeping
Malachi.
in my window? Nobody now.
Yes. Oh, should we turn the light on? Absolutely, we should. Yes. Let's have the bubbles coming out of the sink. Out of the water. Oh, yes. Look at the tiniest soap in there. Oh my gosh, the mirrors are so cute to me. This is empty. It's supposed to have books, but it doesn't right now. Okay, this guitar is a little bit ugly, but I made it. Oh my gosh. Now, let's go on down the stairs. Oh, okay. And let's enjoy this room. Oh, I should have lit her candle. Hold on. Now let your light shine in. Glow in the dark candle. Oh my, yes. Look, dude, I just need to. Oh, I just need you to stand up, nice and gently. Okay. Okay, guys, let's be a little bit kind, okay? But look at the stove that I just made. I can't wait to look back on this and be like, oh my god, that is so ugly and embarrassing. I actually put that on the internet because I'm going to improve so much. But that's pretty good for to put the slab.
And yes, she opens, but there's nothing there to see. I don't know why I did it, but I was practicing.
Spices, yes, please. And some bazooka, just for the heck of it. Oh, and some Milano cookies. Even though my knobs are uneven in more ways than one, I kept it separate for reasons unbeknownst to me. But oh my, oh freaking my. Oh, yes. Cute. Check your heart, ma'am. And sir. If that's not cute, check your heartbeat. Okay. So far from perfect, but for my first stove, you're a
Cutie
cutie.
patootie, and everybody knows it.
Oh my gosh.
And then I was thinking, what if we have this decorated? Well, we already do, but what if we hung white, plain white over top of it instead? Like, I don't want to see this right now, instead of painting our walls white. Okay, weirdo.
Look at my little buddy. Let me have your drink. I know my nails are a mess, guys. That's how I live. Deal. Oh my gosh. You are the ugliest little cutie that I've ever seen in my life. What should I name you? I'm gonna use my grandma's handkerchief for the blankets. This was white and I painted it a while ago. Isn't it cute? Yeah. Made it shorter to fit. Should I incorporate this? Should I go by the window? I was gonna put it at the end of the bed, but then there's no walkway. I can't really walk. It's kind of cute. If I had a laptop, it'd be cute because I'd put it right there. But I don't. Guys, I think these pillows accidentally match. So cute. There you go. Oh, that great. She's just like, it's better than not. There you go. Okay, let's fit one more pillow. That's my grandma's pillow that they used to put in their purses to make their purse smell good because they'd spray that. This is something that my man got me in an art show. I mean, a mini show. What is it? Dude, I wish I did know. I am literally so That's her handkerchief and that's her pillow. So we might as well have Grandma. There you go, Grandma. Oh, you should cover up the... There you go, Grandma. Always covering up the mistakes. That's what you go for. Honestly, I don't know if they use forks to eat lizards, but just in case. There's your snack. You know that question? Who would you have dinner with? Anybody, dead or alive? I'm gonna be like, can I just go into here? Have dinner right here-ish? By myself and these bunnies and these kitties and this owl that clearly got out of his birdcage. Name those eyes, can you? I decorated with blank. Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. I have a little freaking bag. Oh, I can't stand this. Why do they pack things like this? I can hardly contain myself. Oh, I can hardly contain what's in my hand. This is so freaking cute. I can't. Oh my gosh. What is this commotion? Oh man, it really is adorable. Oh, my fingers are so dirty. I know. All my art did my nails, okay? A bag. No way. This is getting this on video. The part I'm most excited for, these glasses. I just... For the real test. Do you stand? I cannot stand it. Oh my gosh. Look, she's washing her hands with the tiniest soap. In theory, okay? Oh my freaking goodness. With a yes on my chest, oh my. Okay, this is what we're doing. Oh my gosh, sign me up for whoever's living here. Yes, please, and thank you. Everything's cleaned up and tidy for nighttime. Bath time is setting. What? Who's chilling in the plant room with the grandma's handkerchief as a curtain? I am. You guys, I did not know there was more stuff inside of here. What in all of the heck, man? And thank you. Go, little gangster. Oh, yes. Hey, what should we name her little puppy? Look at that detail. Give me the Oh, my. Got it. Oh, my gosh. I do love this little bag. What could I carry in here for real? Too bad it's not ID size, right? Why do they make ID so big? Maybe so we don't lose them. Anyways, if you loved it, subscribe or like it or something. I got people to prove wrong while I play with my toys, okay?